everybody, welcome back to my DIY flip. And it's a beautiful day outside, so I decided to make my flip flops again, and I'm doing them outside. And today's design is going to be this design, as you can see. Sorry about the camera, but this is the design that I'm doing. It's like a butterfly design, and it's gold. Okay, and what you're gonna need for this design, you're going to need some bling bling, a piece of the bling bling, which is bling ribbon, as everybody knows. They have it in gold and they have it in white, like a silver white. And you're going to need the bottom trim for the bottom. You're going to need 2 pieces for both sandals. Then you're going to need 1 for cross. I mean 2, because it's 2 sandals. So I already did this one. So you need 2 of these, and these are measured. My sandals are size 7. I mean 5'6". So the measurement on this, on the one that's going across, is 17 centimeters, as you can see. So you're going to need 2 17 centimeters. And this is for a 5'6" sandal. Then you're going to need, if you don't have the bling ribbon, you could always use also the diamond wrap, and you could get this in the dollar store. They come in different colors also. Then you're gonna need some fishing wire, some needles, number 7 or 6. You can always buy them. 7 or 6 would be good. And if some E6000, and if you don't want to use E6000, you can always use the glue gun. And then you're going to need some clamps, and you're going to need some scissors. So it doesn't matter, big scissors or little scissors. You're going to need also the ruler. Then you're going to need a pliers, a B plier. You can use a lighter. And I have some little diamond,
what is that?
You know, they already have holes on it, and this came from a jewelry, a bracelet that I had, so I took it out, so I'm using it. But you could also get the gems if you don't have this, but I'm using my little bracelet gems. Then you're going to need the little beads that I got here. You could go to any store, craft store, and you could get the metallic bead necklace, and they come in different colors. They have them in red and white, and they have them in blue and gold. So you could just get them. It's called Party 231 Party. Okay, and that's what I use, on which I'm using these, which is 2 on the side. So you're gonna need 4, and then you're gonna need one in the middle. Okay. Also, I have these. Also, you could, if you don't find these, you could always get something like this also and put it there. Also, all right. So these are the things that you need to bling bling your sandal. And also you need 1 pair of sandals, brand new. Okay, let us start. All right, before I start, we're going to take our flip-flop and we're going to move it to the side. And we're going to move it over here. And then you take your strap from the flip-flop and you cut it. I have a video on this that shows you how to cut the strap into a T. If you look at my channel, you'll see it. It's how I cut the strap into a T, and then I sewed it. And you have to always measure it. It's very important that you measure around your strap, around your ankle, because you don't want to make it too small. Okay, and this is probably a size 23 or maybe a 20. So my strap, yep, it's a 20. Yep, my strap is a size 20 that I cut for my size. And then the front and the middle is a size either 7 or 8, and it's an 8. Okay, as you can see, it's a size 8. I mean size centimeters. Okay. Okay, 8 centimeters this way and 20 centimeters across. Okay, and that's what I did. All right, so you'll take your strap and you pull it out, and then you make a T out of it. I'm gonna move this inside, and then you make a T out of it. Okay, now I'm gonna take the strap, and the first thing I want to do is do the bling bling. And I'm going to wrap it around like I did here with the fishing wire. So you take your bling bling and then you're going to wrap it and with the fishing wire. Move a lot of stuff out of the way, but I'm taking the fishing wire without cutting it, and I'm going to wrap my bling bling, which is the diamond wrap. You could take the wire, fishing wire, if you want to tie it between the middle of your, like this, if you want to, and that way it'd be easier. You could tie it to make it stay steady, keep it in steady, and it won't go nowhere. Okay, now you take it, your wire, and what you're going to do, you're going to wrap it. On the first wrap, you do like maybe 3. On the bottom one, you're going to wrap it like 3 times. Okay, and you hold it on to it, then you go down to the next one, to the next row, and you keep wrapping it 2 times, going all the way down. And that's what I'm going to be doing. It's very simple. You just make sure you hold on to your fishing wire. You take it and you go with the fishing wire, you go around 2 times. Okay, and then you do this going all the way down to the end of the strap. Okay, so I'm gonna finish doing that right now. I finished doing one of them, the diamond, and I finished putting this on. As you can see, it's already on. You could fix it up and line it up straight if it's crooked. But I finished putting the little diamond gem that I got from my bracelet. Now I'm going to put the other side, and then I'm going to do the other bead on both sides. Okay, I mean on this side. Ready? This side is done. You know, it was kind of hard to sew, so I'm gonna do this offline because it takes a while to sew through the holes, as you can see. Okay, all right, and I'm gonna do that now. Okay, I finished putting the gem and the beads on. You know, line it up. So this is the way it's supposed to look like this, just like I have it on the sandal. Now I'm going to do next, I'm going to put this to the side, and I'm going to put the trim on. I'm going to glue it. Okay, so this I will show you, because didn't show you that was offline doing the diamonds because it was kind of hard to sew it, and it would take a lot of time on the tape, on the video, so I did it offline. So now I'm gonna take my glue and I'm going to, if I could open it. It's kind of hard to open the glue. All right, sorry about that. All right, I'm gonna take the glue, see if I could open it.